A strong earthquake was reported offshore near Ocean City, Maryland on Tuesday night, according to the United States Geological Survey. The earthquake was reported around 6:30 p.m. according to the USGS. The earthquake was recorded as a 4.7 magnitude earthquake and was approximately 136 miles from Ocean City. The USGS also reported the earthquake was approximately 6.2 miles in depth. Note: tsunami warnings have been issued at this time. On August 23, 2011, a 5.8 magnitude earthquake was reported in Mineral, Virginia. The earthquake hit up and down the eastern seaboard. A 5.8 magnitude earthquake is 12.589 times bigger than the earthquake reported offshore near Ocean City in 668. The National Cathedral in Washington, D.C. is still not fully repaired from shockwaves from the 2011 earthquake. It's been over 7 years and the National Cathedral says repair work is only half finished.